for a bike that's lightweight, fun and fast, but won't break the bank? The 2026 Kawasaki Ninja 400 might just be the perfect entry-level sport bike, with enough bite to surprise even seasoned riders. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where we dive into the latest and greatest in bikes, tech and gear. Today, we're checking out the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja 400, a bike that continues to set the standard for small displacement sport machines. Design. Kawasaki didn't mess with a good thing, they refined it. The 2026 Ninja 400 now features sharper, more aggressive bodywork, inspired by its bigger Ninja siblings. LED lighting front and rear, updated fairing lines, and a new TFT display bring a modern feel without overcomplicating the design. It's compact, purposeful, and still turns heads. Performance. Powered by a 399 cubic centimeter parallel twin, the Ninja 400 delivers smooth, approachable power across the rev range. Perfect for new riders, but punchy enough to keep experienced ones engaged. With a curb weight just under 370 pounds and a responsive chassis, it's nimble in the city and confident in the corners. Upgraded brakes and suspension tuning for 2026 add just a little more finesse to an already well-balanced ride. Features and technology. For 2026, the Ninja 400 finally gets a 4.3-inch TFT display with smartphone connectivity. Yes, including call and message alerts. ABS is standard, and the updated ECU smooths out throttle response for better control. No ride modes or gimmicks, just smart, functional tech that complements the ride. Conclusion. The 2026 Kawasaki Ninja 400 keeps doing what it does best, delivering real performance, real value, and real fun. Thinking about making it your first bike? Or maybe your next one? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this review, give it a like, share it with your riding crew, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more honest takes on bikes built to ride. Thanks for tuning in, ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.